Hello, this is Carmen Rodriguez, and I would like to say something good about this research of the 90-10 medbed. I had the privilege of participating. One of the challenges that I'm going to find solution for is to rejuvenate the liver. They told me that the liver went very quickly from fatty liver to uh, fibrosis liver. Therefore, I'm just having a specialist checking on. And by the first night of the research, I asked the 90-10 medbed. I scan my body. And then I felt like I was like in a canoe, floating in the water. And then suddenly the canoe tilted toward the left. And very gently, not that many degrees, but it was a soft turn. And this following night, I felt like a circle, just a clear circle of energy over my thorax on the right side. Later on, this energy moved like a bar over my waist, and it stayed there for quite a bit. Then it moved in my lower abdomen. So I'm going to just keep posting you about it because it is very interesting how this research can help, especially to people that have sometimes we look for solutions and even we live a healthy life that we think of. We need a little extra help. So far, I am doing great. But let me tell you this, the background. My father died of a liver disease. As soon as he had a liver biopsy, he died the next day. My auntie, 2 months ago, the same thing happened to her. She passed away from the liver disease. And if this is genetic, well, this has to change. And this is the best way to do it, using the technology that is available to us. Therefore, I encourage you to not only give it a try, but you have to stick with it until you get the results you're looking for. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you, the team.